tutorials. You ready?
I think so.
Excellent. Now then, crew, welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. And guess what? We've got Tool Girl Sarah back in the workshop.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome back. It's been a while.
It has. You've done a lot of work.
I have.
I've missed out.
You've done a lot of adventuring too, though.
I have.
It's been pretty damn cool. And those
On
of
to
you
the next one.
Yeah, those of you that follow Sarah's blog will know all about where she's been around New Zealand already. And she's been to loads of places. I'm very envious. And the last place you were on was a boat.
A boat? Yeah, I was sailing.
Out sailing. I mean, God, life of luxury, really, honestly. Some of us have to work for a living.
It was work.
It was, but hey, we're here sort of to celebrate the fact that your outfit, motorcycle and trailer are all ready to go on the road. Yeah, pretty good. So the last video that you were here, which seemed so long ago, was when we sent your bike off to get certified.
Yep.
To get it sort of the number plate put on the back. Yeah.
Yep.
A bit more technical than that, but it went down and they sat on it for a while and there was a bit of a hitch. We've got to be honest, there was a bit of a hitch. Explain what the hitch was. It was
Apparently, I paid a custom broker to take care of a lot of the paperwork, and he forgot to arrange the border inspection. So I have to do a border inspection before I can do the actual inspection, and so they let it just sit in the compliance shop waiting for the border inspection to be arranged.
Those border inspections, they're actually quite important, aren't they, really?
I guess so.
Without that, you're not going to get your bike or any vehicle certified. It was a critical piece of information. I wasn't aware of it.
Now you know.
Now I know. I've learned something as well. But once that was in place, and that took about, what, a couple of weeks to organise, didn't it? It was
I took off a little bit too, so that took some time. That's my fault.
Yeah, but it got sorted out. And once that last piece of paperwork came in, then Trevor down at Seatbelt Specialist, who did the certification for us. Hi, Trevor.
Thanks, Trevor.
You're a good bloke, mate. I really appreciate it. The bike flew through, and well, basically, it's now got its number plate on the back. So, and it's got rego and warrant and everything else that you need to use the bike legally on New Zealand roads. So I'm really, really chuffed that it got past first time and that they didn't find any more faults with it.
I
So
knew.
sort of, big tick for the Andy Mechanic side of things. I found all the faults and it was a bit dismaying at the start, but I'm pleased that we didn't have to redo more work to it. We got it all done in one hit, which was important.
Yep.
And for the last couple of weeks, I've been working hard getting your trailer sorted out. That TrailTail trailer. That's the one, isn't it? TrailTail trailer.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Reppin'. Just a little.
There you go.
Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know he's not proud of them, but I love this thing.
I just hope that they watch these videos and see some of the glitches that we had trying to fit that trailer properly to the back of your bike.
Fingers crossed we can help them make better improvements.
Exactly.
And
it's
that's
all about
what
positive,
it's all about this.
Yeah, positive criticism. That's all it was.
Absolutely.
Just a few little issues. And maybe they can alter their design a little bit to suit, at least to suit this particular bike. That's the important
I'll be
thing.
sending them the videos and stuff so they can see
I'm sure you
what's
will.
up. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Okay. Cool. So it's done. The lights are on. I've done the hitch. It's basically ready to rock. And your intention...
Hopefully not rock. I already did enough of that this weekend.
Oh, on the boat.
On the boat.
Oh, just checking.
I'm still feeling the waves.
Golly gosh. So the plan is to ride the bike home tonight.
Yes.
I say home because you're home.
I was going to say I don't really have a home, but...
To ride the bike away somewhere. Probably to Auckland.
Out of the shop.
Out of the shop, in the dark.
Down the street.
Yeah, and hopefully without any problems because the bike hasn't had a test drive with this trailer on. So, road test dummy, here we are. It's all down to you to be the stunt man, or stunt woman in this case, to make sure that trailer's going to be okay.
I will be the guinea pig.
So you promise to ride slowly to start off with. You're not
I'm wearing all my gear.
Yeah. So you're not just going to whack it up to 160 k's an hour.
We are
and
not
just
putting a
hope for the
thing
best.
in that until we figure out how it goes. Not sacrificing the merchandise.
Good. I'm pleased to hear that because
Yeah.
you know, because it was pretty expensive, wasn't it, as well,
It
was
is,
the trailer. So you've got
trailer alone.
to sort of look after it. And, hey, who knows? You know, once Sarah gets out on the road with the bike all loaded up, she may, over time, come across the odd problem with the trailer. Maybe things that I've done or things that are part of the original design, where maybe it needs to come back in the shop and have some work done. Who knows? We just don't.
I know you would love to do that.
Anything to get you back in the workshop. Shit, did I really say that? Or was I just thinking it?
I'm flattered. You're making me blush. Look at this.
I even shaved, look at this. These guys...
Smoother than my butt.
Almost. How can I comment on that? I'm not... Anyway, not to worry. So there you go.
He wouldn't know, I promise.
No, I was editing the videos from yesterday, and I looked on the screen, and I thought, man, Andy, you look so scruffy at the moment. So today I had to have a shave.
You're looking fresh.
There you go, guys.
Even I noticed.
She did. She actually, you were wondering what was wrong, actually.
Like something
You look
happened.
different. What's going
Your
on?
skin looks so smooth.
I'm sure you can still light a match on it. Okay. All right, crew. Well, the next job really is to get the bike and the trailer off the hoist and the trolley that we've been using to get everything up to height, and get Sarah mounted on the bike
I gotta put some gear on.
and get all your gear on, and well, go for a test ride.
What do I wear? The leathers or the warm winter gear? The leathers look nicer.
Leathers are just chaps, though, aren't they?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's gonna be cold.
it is. Okay, winter it is.
Winter gear, please.
Yep.
Yeah, because
winter.
you get on the motorway, you're gonna freeze.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. It's pretty cold.
Get to see me looking like a snowman.
Oh, Michelin Man.
Michelin, there we go.
Michelin Man, there you go.
No,
Michelin
the Andy
woman.
Man. We're gonna, no.
Oh, come on now, I'm not that bad. I just like my cider, that's all. Okay, and it's Sunday, so there's no cider today, unfortunately. Okay, so I'm going to head over, get the hoist lowered, get the trailer manoeuvred somehow. It's a bit of a cumbersome outfit when it's up on the hoist like that, but we'll work it out. And we'll see you in a few seconds. All right, crew, see you soon.
Ciao.
Is that low enough for you? Hang on a minute. Let's do a Sarah height. There you
Stand
go.
back a little bit.
I was adjusting the camera.
There we go.
There you go. You see, I'll be small.
There we go.
And you can be big.
Oh,
How's
I
that?
look so cute.
So you got all your gear on.
Yes.
So you're all ready for test pilot. Your mission.
So excited.
Okay, well, it's all warmed up, ready to rock.
Okay.
Time to get your gear on, I reckon.
Gearing up.
Oh, you want to tell them about your blog?
Woo!
Jeez.
If you want to check out the adventures, follow me at recklesslywild.com. I've officially paid for the domain and email, so you can send me an email at contact@recklesslywildmedia.com as well. Say hi.
Perfect, and I'll put a link in the description for your new link thing that's
Yes.
going to be used. So the old one doesn't work anymore. Sorry, guys.
Sorry.
If you use the new one, you'll be just fine. Easy.
Cool.
All right.
All right. I think we're good.
Cool. Don't forget your phone.
Yes.
You'll need that. You're going on adventures.
All right. Pumped. Pumped. Oh, I love that smell.
I prefer two strokes. Say again? What was that?
Do I look slick or what?
You look pretty slick. I'll give you that.
Does it look like I belong in this thing? Or does this need to be red?
Red or all black would be good.
Or
Yeah,
all black?
yeah.
No, I don't want to hide.
Oh, really? You're not a hider?
Well, I just like to be seen. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I don't like leathers. Leathers are usually all black.
Oh, but leather is the best protector on a motorbike.
This thing actually has no high vis on it. Ooh, I'll have to change that.
Just get
Get some tape.
Either some tape or a little rucksack that's got the high vis on it.
A rucksack?
Yeah, backpack.
Oh. Oh, what a beautiful bike. I could make love to this bike.
Don't be saying that. Jesus.
Okay, you ready?
Give it 30 seconds just so you can park the car up, because you might not be able to get up the drive. Oh, we can do this bit. Yeah. I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Born ready.
Okay, go for it. Jeez.
See how this feels. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, can I pick it up?
I hope so.
See, that's the other thing I was wondering, if I could pick up the weight of it.
Well, there's only one way to find out, you know?
Yeah, when I load it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You might have to live life.
Yeah, that is a little low.
Little chance. You can warm it up a minute if you want.
That?
If you want to warm it, it's still not quite warm.
That's enough to get forward.
Alright, don't turn it off though.
Nope. What am I?
Holy shit, well, Sarah's gone with her bike and trailer outfit, so hopefully she's going to be okay. I can just hear the bike in the distance heading off down the road. I can still hear the bike. Hope she's alright. I'm going to have to go down and check her out. If you enjoyed the video and if you want to continue to see Sarah, check her out on her blog. But if you enjoyed this video, enjoy the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel, why not click on the subscribe button? You'll see a little gear icon turn up. Click on the gear icon and then you can tick the box and turn on notifications. And our friends down at YouTube will send you an email as and when I upload any new videos. And I can guarantee Toolgirl Sarah will be back in this workshop at some point in the future. And she'll no doubt be keeping you updated with her adventures too. You'll also find me on Facebook, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. Feel free to communicate through any of those portals. But first point of contact, if you don't mind, comments on YouTube. Now there's also a new Patreon page. You can drop onto that and read all about the history of the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel and up and coming projects as well. And if you fancy donating, then you can do that via that page. Okay, crew. Well, I've got a workshop to pack up and go and get some tea. See you next time. Cheers. Over and out. Hey, Toolgirl Sam. How are you?
Back.
You're back. Fantastic.
So long.
I know, and I've got a new shirt, so I thought it's only right that I give you a new shirt too. So there you go.
So excited for my new shirt, and I don't have to wear different shirts every day. And as a classic Toolgirl Sam move, I am going to wear it like this. Wow, would you look at that? I'd say that is a great present for your girlfriend if she's into tools. If she's not, she's probably into tools because you're a tool. See what I did there? Tool girl shirt, perfect.